Hi, I'm Kendall with the Renos for Pros and Joe's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and demonstrating the Halo Smart RL WiZ Pro LED downlight. This fixture is available in both a 4-inch version and a version that fits most 5-inch and 6-inch openings. Today we're going to be working with the version that fits the 5 and 6-inch openings. Let's get started. This fixture is perfect for new construction with a housing or retrofit application and easily installs in most housings with flexible mounting option, including mounting hardware and light bulb socket adapter E26. This fixture works with Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri shortcuts, along with IFTTT and SmartThings. It uses your existing Wi-Fi network so that you can control your lights wirelessly and from anywhere in the world with the WiZ app. It's also compatible with Connected by WiZ and WiZ Pro products. This fixture has a life rating of 50,000 hours, which is approximately 22 years at a usage of 6 hours per day, and has a 5-year limited warranty. This fixture produces a light equivalent to a 65-watt bulb at a fraction of the energy at only 8 watts. It's Energy Star listed for efficient operation and is rated for use with IC and non-IC rated housings. This fixture has a DIY setup option allowing you to use the WiZ app to claim and control your light fixtures, and it also has a Pro setup option which allows installers to use the WiZ Pro setup app for pre-Wi-Fi claiming, managing multiple projects, and transferring account ownership. The online WiZ Pro dashboard has advanced features for commissioning, user management, and energy monitoring. Before we move forward with the demonstration, I do want to point out that the fixture does come with an adapter for an existing housing. You would simply twist in this end into the socket, and then you would make your connection here with the corresponding connection here on the fixture. There are also some additional components that come with the fixture, such as these friction clips, which are installed here on the rear side of the fixture to help hold it in place inside of the housing, as well as a self-tapping screw, and then a hex nut, all of which can be used to be able to mount the ground to the housing. You can see that we've got 2 QR codes here. One is for the WiZ app and one is for the WiZ Pro setup. Let's go ahead and scan. We're at the next phase where we have the option of smart pairing or manual pairing. Let's do the smart pairing. We now have the phone connected to the app, and the app is now connected to the light. We'll start by turning the light on. As you can see, we are at a 2500K color temperature, and as we drag or toggle this over, you can see that the color temperature is changing. Now it's at daylight, 4700, 4900, and it goes all the way up to 6500, which is cool white setting here. We can also turn the fixture's brightness down here as we toggle here with the setting here just below it. This moon icon turns on our night light function. You can see what that looks like. Turn that one off. Turn regular light back on. Here at the bottom you can see that we have the option for rhythms. This will allow you to use cooler light temperatures to induce energizing effects, and this says this is great for exercising. You also have the option of using the schedules where you can set up the times that you want the lights to come on and turn off. And if we click on the schedule here, you can see that you can set up the times. You can also set up the days. You can see it's currently set to run for Monday through Friday, and then does not run on Saturday and Sunday. You can see we can press that Saturday and Sunday button, and then those days are now activated, and we can press them again to turn them off. And then we can toggle here up and down. Below that, you can see that we have the rooms that we're changing the settings on. We only have one room right here, which is office. And below we have the action that the app is going to take, and it's wake up, which is the setting here that we have selected. So let's back out here. Back out of this mode as well. And let's go over to our settings. And you can see here that you could manage your home here. You can create a new home, or you can join a home. You can set up which room you want to work within. You can work with different lights here, as well as other accessories. You can also see the member here, and you can also control your security settings. If we click here for integrations, you can also see a list of the applications that the light fixture is compatible with. And we can back out of settings here. This is the circadian rhythm setting, and we can adjust the time. If we turn that setting on, you can see that the fixture default color has changed. Once we have our circadian rhythm turned on, we can then adjust it to customize to the time that we wake up and the time that we go to bed, and the light will adjust itself accordingly. Let's back out again. Now you can see that we're set on circadian rhythm. Let's turn circadian rhythm off. We'll go here to our rhythm section here. We can see that we have it on in the office. We'll go to the office and we'll turn it off. And then we'll back out here. Here we can see we have the settings that are simple settings where we can click cozy and you can see the light change to that color. We'll click the true colors. Then we'll try relax, plant grow, focus, TV time. This is custom color, which allows us to change to different colors. So there's scarlet, and we can simply drag the cursor here, or the little circle icon, and that will allow us to change to different colors, and you can see the names of the colors as we change it. Let's go for a blue here, psychedelic purple, razzmatazz, red, there's a darker red, misty rose, spring green. And as we scroll further down here, we have dynamic colors. Now these colors have some movement in the light. You can see the candlelight is kind of flickering there, if you see that. You can click to the fireplace setting here. It has a similar effect to it. Let's take a look at romance, party. This is pastel colors. You can see that the colors are changing on their own. And as we scroll down further, you can see that we have progressive light settings, which take 30 minutes to cycle through. We have one for waking up. We have one for going to bed there. And then we got celebration settings as well. Let's try out the Christmas setting to see what that looks like. And that shows us a red light, which changes to green and back to red. Let's go back to custom. If you want to see what that bulb looks like. If you look at the bulb, you can see as the colors change, the bulb is changing colors. Hopefully you found this video both helpful and informative, and I'll see you soon.